Flytrex, a leader in drone delivery services, is revolutionizing the way goods are transported. Operating in various locations across the U.S., Flytrex specializes in delivering food, beverages, groceries, and other everyday essentials via autonomous drones. These drones are equipped with cutting-edge GPS technology and advanced navigation systems, ensuring precise and efficient delivery straight to customers' backyards. The service is designed for speed, reducing delivery times to just a few minutes. Flytrex drones are capable of flying up to 70 miles per hour, covering a radius of approximately 3.5 miles. Each drone can carry packages weighing up to 6.6 pounds, making them ideal for small to medium-sized orders. Safety is a top priority, with Flytrex adhering to rigorous Federal Aviation Administration (FAA) regulations. Their system includes multiple redundancies, such as parachutes, ensuring safe operations even in the event of technical issues. Flytrex also integrates seamlessly with local businesses, allowing customers to order via user-friendly mobile apps. By eliminating the need for ground vehicles, the service reduces traffic congestion and carbon emissions, contributing to a more sustainable future. Whether it's a quick lunch or an urgent grocery item, Flytrex is shaping the future of delivery, combining speed, convenience, and eco-friendliness into one innovative package. The BORA Cooktop Extractor Systems represent a groundbreaking innovation in kitchen design and functionality. Unlike traditional range hoods, which can be bulky and intrusive, BORA's extractor is seamlessly integrated into the cooktop itself. This cutting-edge design not only enhances the aesthetics of your kitchen, but also revolutionizes how we think about ventilation. By pulling cooking vapors and odors directly from the source, BORA ensures an open, unobstructed view and a modern, minimalist look. One of the standout features of the BORA system is its exceptional performance. Using advanced airflow technology, the extractor efficiently captures steam, grease, and odors right where they are created. This ensures your kitchen remains fresh and odor-free even during intensive cooking sessions. Additionally, BORA systems are designed for whisper-quiet operation, so you can enjoy conversations or listen to music without disruption while cooking. BORA is also known for its versatility and adaptability. With options for induction, gas, or Teppan grills, the system caters to a variety of cooking styles. Whether you're searing steaks, boiling pasta, or stir-frying vegetables, BORA's technology adapts seamlessly to your needs. Its sleek design fits perfectly into any kitchen layout, making it a favorite for both home chefs and design enthusiasts. Maintenance is remarkably easy with BORA. Its parts are designed to be removable and dishwasher-safe, ensuring effortless cleaning. Furthermore, the system's energy-efficient design not only reduces power consumption, but also contributes to a more sustainable kitchen. With BORA, you're investing in long-term quality, innovation, and environmental responsibility. Experience the future of cooking with BORA Cooktop Extractor Systems, a perfect blend of functionality, design, and performance. Transform your kitchen into a space of innovation and elegance, where form meets function seamlessly. The Monocab OWL is an innovative leap in sustainable transportation designed to redefine the way we commute. Originating in Germany, this self-balancing monorail system combines cutting-edge technology with sleek aesthetics, creating a one-of-a-kind passenger experience. At the heart of the OWL is its compact, single-track design. This autonomous vehicle glides effortlessly on a monorail, using electric propulsion for a quiet, eco-friendly ride. Its advanced, gyroscopic stabilization ensures a smooth journey, even on elevated tracks. The design prioritizes efficiency and space saving, making it an ideal solution for urban and intercity transport. The OWL is fully autonomous, equipped with AI-powered navigation and collision detection systems. Passengers can enjoy panoramic views through large windows, while the interior offers comfortable seating and modern amenities, including charging ports and customizable lighting. Monocab OWL is powered by renewable energy, aligning with global goals for carbon-neutral transport. Its lightweight structure and efficient power consumption reduce environmental impact, making it a futuristic option for eco-conscious cities. Designed for both functionality and sustainability, the Monocab OWL represents the future of mass transit safe, efficient, and environmentally friendly. It's more than a vehicle. It's a vision for a smarter, greener tomorrow. The Rosa stairs climbing robots and carts are revolutionary innovations designed to address mobility challenges in various environments. These devices are engineered to transport goods or assist individuals, seamlessly navigating stairs, uneven terrain, and even complex architectural obstacles. Rosa robots utilize advanced climbing mechanisms powered by precision-engineered wheels or treads, coupled with gyroscopic stabilization. This ensures smooth transitions between flat surfaces and stairs without compromising balance. They are built with sensors and artificial intelligence, allowing them to detect step dimensions, identify potential hazards, and adjust their movement dynamically. For commercial use, Rosa carts provide an efficient solution for warehouses, hospitals, or delivery services. They can carry heavy loads up to 150 kilograms, drastically reducing physical strain on workers. The ergonomic design and modular build make them customizable, accommodating various use cases. Beyond logistics, Rosa robots play a vital role in personal mobility. Equipped with a comfortable platform and safety features, they are ideal for elderly or disabled individuals needing assistance in navigating staircases. Some models include companion apps for remote control, offering users more independence. Incorporating cutting-edge robotics, Rosa climbing systems not only enhance functionality but redefine accessibility standards for both professional and personal applications. CYBI Fingers is an innovative robotic hand designed to revolutionize automation and human-machine interaction. Engineered with advanced AI-driven technology, CYBI Fingers mimic the dexterity and precision of a human hand, making it ideal for applications across industries like healthcare, manufacturing, and robotics research. Each finger is equipped with smart sensors for tactile feedback, enabling real-time responsiveness. These sensors allow it to detect pressure, temperature, and texture, ensuring seamless adaptation to various tasks, from delicate object handling to high-force operations. Built from lightweight yet durable materials, CYBI fingers are customizable, with interchangeable components to cater to specific needs. Its modular design ensures easy maintenance and upgrades. Whether integrated into prosthetics, robotic systems, or standalone tools, CYBI fingers enhance productivity and precision. With plug-and-play compatibility, it integrates smoothly with modern systems, making it a game-changer for businesses aiming for efficiency and innovation. CYBI fingers, redefining the boundaries of robotic dexterity, one touch at a time. The Luba 2 mower is a state-of-the-art robotic lawnmower that redefines convenience and precision in yard maintenance. Designed for efficiency and ease, it operates without the need for boundary wires, thanks to its advanced GPS and RTK navigation technology. This means you can map your lawn directly through its intuitive app, creating precise mowing zones with a few taps. Equipped with powerful, all-terrain wheels, the Luba 2 can handle inclines of up to 75%, making it suitable for challenging landscapes. Its cutting-edge obstacle avoidance system, powered by ultrasonic sensors, ensures it navigates around objects like trees and garden furniture with precision, keeping both your mower and property safe. The Luba 2 features a wide cutting deck and adjustable cutting height, allowing it to handle lawns up to 5,000 square meters efficiently. It's powered by a long-lasting lithium-ion battery, ensuring uninterrupted mowing for hours. Safety is a top priority with features like blade guards and automatic shutoff if the mower is lifted. The mower is also weather-resistant, making it reliable in various conditions. With smart app controls, you can set schedules, monitor progress, and even control the mower remotely. The Luba 2 mower, a blend of innovation and simplicity that gives you a perfectly maintained lawn effortlessly. Introducing the 8360 Nova, a cutting-edge motion simulator redefining immersive experiences. This spherical marvel stands out with its free-rolling design, offering complete 360-degree rotation across all axes. Whether you're diving into intense gaming, lifelike training simulations, or even virtual reality experiments, the Nova ensures an unparalleled level of realism. Crafted for versatility, The Nova is equipped with a lightweight yet robust spherical cockpit. Inside, users are surrounded by high-resolution displays and an advanced control interface designed to match a range of applications, from flight and driving simulations to defense training and even entertainment. Its intuitive compatibility with VR headsets, like the Oculus or Vive, amplifies the sensation of presence, making every movement feel incredibly lifelike. Powered by innovative software, the Nova's gyroscopic motion system delivers seamless, precise movement. This enables users to experience gravity and inertia as if they were truly in the action. Safety is a priority, too. Its intelligent motion controls ensure smooth operation, and the sturdy, transparent exterior provides both durability and visibility. Perfect for events, the Nova also captivates audiences with its unique buzzball effect, a glowing, futuristic aesthetic that makes it a centerpiece of tech exhibits and gaming showcases. It's compact, portable. Design allows it to be transported and set up with ease, making it a versatile choice for a variety of environments. Experience the future of motion simulation. With the 8360 Nova, the only limit is your imagination.